Man, I'm hungry. Yeah, some cereal. No way. Where's my cereal? Take my cereal.
Allah! 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 Allah!
Oh god, what a fucking day. That's good, guys. I hope you guys liked the skit that you just saw as my skit. I don't know, Owen Otis, you guys might have a hard time beating that one. I really like how we pulled that one off. I mean, not my writing or anything, just that graphics in it and stuff. I really liked how that was going. Subscribe. We got more coming. Otis' skit is coming. We're still working on his skit, so I'm gonna post Owen's and my skit. Owen's skit, I don't know, Owen. I don't know. So yeah. Basically, we're gonna probably not post after we post all 3 of our skits for another 2 weeks, and then after the 2 weeks, we're gonna see who has the most views and who has the least views. And immediately after the 2 weeks has happened, we will post a challenge video of the most sourest drink or something like that. The loser has to drink that. It's gonna be nasty. Hopefully, I'm not one of them. Please keep viewing this, or hit the like button. So I will see you guys later. Good liking. Tell me how you like the skit. Please stick with us a little bit. We are not the best with skits. We just kind of liked it because, you know, it was just more fun. Just let you be someone else that you're not. You know, and it's just something. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. But I would just stick with us. Each skit keeps getting better and better. We got I Farted a new one. And we got Owen's skit, and then you can view my skit, which is Snack Mystery, as you know, you're watching it right now. So, keep viewing, keep subscribing, stick with us. Peace out, guys.